To solve absolute value of negative 2x plus 1 is greater than 5. The absolute value is already by itself in the inequality, so now I want to rewrite the absolute value inequality as a compound inequality. To do so, I use the fact that absolute value of u greater than a is equivalent to u is less than negative a, or u is greater than a. Here, u is negative 2x plus 1, and a is 5. So I rewrite this inequality as negative 2x plus 1 is less than negative 5, or negative 2x plus 1 is greater than 5. And then solve each inequality separately. On the left, I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I get negative 2x is less than negative 6. And then I divide both sides of the inequality by negative 2. Remember, when you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative quantity, the direction of the inequality changes. So after dividing both sides by negative 2, I get that x is greater than 3. On the inequality on the right, I subtract 1 from both sides. I get negative 2x is greater than 4. Divide both sides of the inequality by negative 2. Change the direction of the inequality and get that x is less than negative 2. So my solution set is the set of all x such that x is less than negative 2 or x is greater than 3. Using interval notation, I would write this as x is less than negative 2, union, meaning or, x is greater than 3. Finally, I could represent this on a real number line. I scale the real number line. I put a parenthesis at negative 2, shade to the left. Put a parenthesis at 3, and shade to the right.